good quality steak and you don't want to screw it up. I get it. I'm going to show you the perfect cooking guide for your steaks. This applies to any boneless steak across the board. Today we're making a New York strip steak in a cast iron skillet, but you could also use this guide for your outdoor grilling. So grab your aprons, let's cook. Guys, what is up? So today we are making New York strip steak in a cast iron skillet with a horseradish cream sauce. So this is your easy go-to steak sauce all year long. It's not just for prime rib for the holidays. So here's what you want to do. Leave your steaks up to 30 minutes, room temperature. We want to remove the chill, but here's how we're going to know how to cook our steaks. A ruler, that's all you need. So you're going to measure it. It's going to give you the time and the temperature. So your temperature, you're going to cook it between medium and medium high heat, depending on your heat source, but you want to measure your steak. So take your ruler, measure your steak. My steak is 1.5 inches thick. So here's your guide. 4 minutes per inch per side for medium rare. Mine's 1.5 inch, so I'm going to cook it 6 minutes on each side. But here's another little tip. Anything over 1 inch, you're gonna finish it on indirect heat, whether it be your oven or when it's on your grill, on the non-lit side, and you're gonna lower that lid. So while my steaks are removing the chill, I'm gonna heat my oven to 400 degrees. Very important step, dry the steaks well with heavy-duty paper towels and canola oil lightly drizzled on top both sides. Season with kosher salt vigorously, so think salt crust. These babies are thick. And freshly cracked black pepper. Flip and repeat the other side. Heat your cast iron skillet 2 to 3 minutes, so get it nice and hot. Once you see it start to smoke, add 2 tablespoons canola oil and heat it. Then add your steaks. Don't touch it. We're going to cook the steak 4 minutes on each side. Now, because mine's a little bit thicker, I'm gonna finish it into my oven for 2 to 4 minutes at 400 degrees for a medium to medium rare. All right, so now we're just gonna move our steaks to rest for about 8 minutes. While the steaks are resting and we still have a hot skillet, you're gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're just gonna melt the butter, almost like a brown butter. So this will be like a little sauce drizzle. Little extra. And then you just want to give it a little rosemary perfume. And just cut the heat. You'll see it get nice and frothy. So I have 1 cup of sour cream in a bowl and a 1/4 cup of prepared horseradish. This sauce is even delicious on roasted potatoes, great with French fries too. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a little bit of salt. That's it, simple. And then just give it a whisk. Any juice drippings on the plate, save that. I finished my 1.5 inch steaks into the oven for 4 minutes for a perfect medium doneness. If you want it medium rare, finish it 2 minutes. Cooked perfectly. Now we have to give it a taste. Drizzle that brown butter right over top. A little of that horseradish cream sauce. Delicious. That Rosemary Brown Butter is gold. The horseradish cream sauce is effortless. It's juicy, it's tender, it's cooked perfectly, seasoned perfectly. It's all it needs, salt and pepper. So good. And there you have it, a foolproof cooking guide to make the perfect steak. If you liked this video, you learned something, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. I do roll out a new homemade, made easy recipe video each week. And if you want to check out more of my other recipes, you can click this video link right here or click this one, and I'll meet you over there.